Today, we would like to introduce you to our AirJet 594 CRD, our solution for heavy-duty and high-capacity maintenance cleaning.
Our AirJet 594 CRD represents a high-capacity cleaning solution ideal for cleaning the reflow oven parts such as filters. Thanks to this system, you can replace manual cleaning, which is often time-consuming and ineffective, by a more efficient and reliable semi-automatic cleaning process. The air bubble technology achieves the highest efficiency of the cleaning. The semi-automatic manipulator offers easy and safe manipulation with the heavy components. The new feature of the system is the external trolley, which enables the operators to easily load the heavy parts intended for cleaning into the basket, without having to lift them up too high. The semi-automatic manipulator then is used to lift up the basket filled with the parts and immerse it to the cleaning chamber. The whole system is 100% closed loop and does not need any connections to process fluids or drainage. The cleaning process takes place in 3 individual chambers. AirJet offers the standard process of cleaning, rinsing, and drying. Cleaning with the chemistry dissolves all contaminants on your components. Rinsing with DI water then washes off the cleaning chemistry residues. The drying cycle makes sure all components will be 100% dry before being put back to your production. The cleaning process is electronically monitored and controlled by the PLC. All the process parameters such as time, temperature, and other variables can be quickly adjusted on the touchscreen. The whole system is designed for easy access and regular maintenance tasks. Stainless steel construction then ensures the long-term reliability and stability of the machine. The cleaning chemistry can be easily refilled through the process chamber. Our R&D team specialist will determine which one out of our 200+ types of cleaning fluids suit the best to your cleaning process. Alternatively, we can develop custom chemistry designed specifically for your project. All of our cleaning systems are developed and produced in-house at DCT in the Czech Republic, Europe. Thanks to the manual welding and the quality of the materials used, DCT offers the longest warranty on the market. Ask your distributor for details. At DCT, we are constantly developing new technologies as we strive not to be the biggest cleaning company on the market, but the most progressive one. Only this way we can continue to offer our customers cutting-edge, reliable technologies and uniquely efficient cleaning fluids. Simply better solutions.
Thank you all for watching. To find out more about our DCT solutions for heavy-duty maintenance cleaning, please see the link right here. Thank you so much for watching.